To add text behind somebody in Capcut, use this strategy. Go to Capcut interface. Click on Add Projects. You must have shot a video which you want to use. This video must be edited. That is, to split and remove the portions that you don't want on this video. That should be the first step. This is the video. Tap on it and add it up. Now it's time for you to split and remove the portions you don't need. Push the clip to get to where you want to split and edit it. Hit on split. Select the portion you want to remove. Go to the tools. Hit on delete. And that portion is gone. Go to the end of the clip. Push it to where you want it to end. Click on split again. Select the portion you want to take away. Hit on delete and that portion is gone. So this is the remaining of the clip we are going to use for this project. What you will do now is you must export this clip to serve as the original, because we need to call it back when the time is due. Let's export it. Click on that arrow that is pointing up. The video is exporting to your video gallery. Tap on Done. Now, go back to the new project. Tap on it. Select the clip we just edited now. And the edits. Now it's time for we to put our text. Go to the tools. Look for text. Tap on it. Tap on Add Text. This is our text. Pinch on the text to size it. Let's tap on Effects. If you are a free user of Capcut, make sure you don't choose Pro. Pro are only meant for those who paid for Capcut. So choose ordinary ones. Let's use this. Now, this is the text we put. You must drag this text to where you want it to reach. By selecting it, tap and hold at the white border and stretch. Now, we will export this video. Hit on the arrow at the top right of this video. Hit on done. Now we will call back this video. Hit on new projects. Import this recent video that you just put text by tapping on it and add it. Then go to overlay. Overlay is a tool. At the bottom, look for overlay and hit it. Hit it again. Then go and choose that same video that you edited by cutting off some of the portion that you doesn't want. Hit on it. Add it up. Pinch to size it so that it will be at the same size with the previous one. Now it is still selected. Go to the tools and look for remove background. Tap on it. Select auto remover and select check mark. Leave it for some time for the removing of the background to take complete effect. Now this is the confirmation of the background being removed. The next thing is to export it. Select on done. Hit on new projects. Select the last project.
Hello, this video is all about teaching people how to put text behind you.
Now you can see that it is done. The text is already at the background.